Okay. I'm Logan. I'm in the network security major, and I am currently a sophomore going to a junior.
And then it was, how long have you been a geek?
I have been a geek since my second semester, or my first semester, halfway through my freshman year.
And what do you like about it?
I love working with computers and technology in general, and I'm always fascinated by electronics.
Are you sure about that?
What do you plan to do in the future?
In the future, I hope to become a ethical hacker.
NANI?!
Together we can show the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you.
For cybersecurity, and hope to move to Seattle, Washington.
I'm trying to think what else we have. When you play Overwatch, who do you main?
In Overwatch, I main Moira and Zenyatta.
Why?
But as, like, for a fun character, I love playing Widow. And the reason I main Moira and Zenyatta is they're very supportive characters, but they also can deal out damage themselves, so you don't have to be mained by everybody else.
What's a scumbag character?
The scumbag character in Overwatch is probably either a really good Hanzo, because they take not very much skill until they change to the scatter shot.
What kind of main do you think Cody is?
If I had to guess, Cody would probably be a Reinhardt main, partially because I've played with him and partially because I just know that's the type of person he is.
Is that right, Cody?
That is correct.
Do you plan to work for Anonymous?
I would love to work for Anonymous, but I don't believe I'm that good. So, anybody out there, I'm here.